Good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise number 6.2. Okay. So the first question is verify the following equalities. The first subdivision. The first subdivision is sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree is equal to 1. Okay. So we want to prove sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree is equal to 1. Okay. So first we should know the trigonometric ratios values, then only we can apply the values here. Okay. So in the tabular columns already I told you how to study, how to do the table. Okay. So first we should learn all the values, then only we can apply here. சரி, இப்போ இங்கே sin square 60 டிகிரின்னு இருக்கு. ஸோ sin square 60 டிகிரியோட வேல்யூ என்னங்கிறத நம்ம இப்போ இங்கே ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். sin square 60 டிகிரி So sin square 60 degree, that means here sin 60 degree where? Here this is the sin 60 degree value. Okay, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Then cos 60 degree. So this is the cos 60 degree value. This is cos 60 degree value, that is 1 by 2. Okay. So sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So that means we are going to use these values in this first subdivision. Okay. So listen, sin 60 degree value and cos 60 degree value we have found. So we are going to apply these values. So the left hand side, it is called LHS. Okay, LHS equal to sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Okay, so sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. So root 3 by 2 whole square means root 3 is square panna 3 in kadaikum, then 2 square is 4. So 3 by 4, then plus 1 square is 1, then 2 square is 4. Okay. So that is equal to, the denominator is common 4. Okay. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 by 4 get cancelled. So the answer is 1. Okay. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, this is equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay. So sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree is equal to 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay. Then next one, second subdivision. Okay. The second subdivision is 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to secant square 30 degree. Okay. 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to secant square 30 degree. Okay. See this. So now we want to find the value of tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree value is what? Tan is here, the third line. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. Then secant 30 degree. Secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. Okay. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 and secant 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay. So here we are going to apply tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 and secant 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay. So we are going to apply the LHS values. LHS is equal to 1 plus 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay. So 1 plus tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So we can use the square. So 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. Therefore 1 plus 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. Okay. So here we have a denominator 3. So we can take a cross multiplication. So 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So that is equal to 4 divided by 3. This is the LHS value. LHS equal to what? 4 by 3. So LHS value is equal to 4 by 3. Then RHS is what? Secant 30 degree. RHS is equal to secant square 30 degree. So RHS is equal to secant square 30 degree. Already I told secant 30 degree is 2 by root 3. So you can take a square 2 by root 3 whole square. So 2 square is nothing but 4 and root 3 square is 3. Okay. So for LHS is also 4 by 3 and RHS is also 4 by 3. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Okay. So your second problem, second subdivision is over. Then third subdivision. The third subdivision is cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree and it is equal to also it is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Okay. So now we are going to use the values. Okay. So see cos 90 degree. Okay. So now we are going to write the values. Okay. First one cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is here. Okay. So 0. You can write it. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Okay. Then next one, sine square 45 degree. So sine 45 degree we need. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Then next one, cos 45 degree. So cos 45 degree is equal to that also 1 by root 2. So cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. So now we want to prove cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree. It is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus minus 1. Okay. So we can write. So already cos 90 degrees value already we found. So we can find 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree. 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree. Okay. So 1 minus 2 sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So it is has a square. So 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay. That is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2. Okay. Then 2 get cancelled. So remaining it is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. This is 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree. Okay. So therefore 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree, it is also 0. Okay. Then next one, 2 cos square 45 degree. Okay. So another one, 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1, that is equal to 2 cos 45 degree is what? 1 by root 2. Okay. So 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. Okay. So it is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 square. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Okay. So 2 get cancelled. So remaining 1 minus 1. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 minus, sorry, 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So you can take it, this is third one and this is second one and the first one, this is first one. Okay. So from 1 and 2 and 3, okay, both also get 0. So from 1, 2 and 3 we get, what we get? Cos square, sorry, cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 45 degree is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Okay. Hence proof. Okay. Then fourth one, Then fourth subdivision, sine square 30 degree fourth subdivision, sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sine 60 degree is equal to sine 90 degree. Okay, so we want to prove this. Before that, we want to write all the values, so sine 30 and cos 60 and everything we want to write it. Okay, first we can write the sine values. Okay, so sine 30 degree and sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Okay, see here, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, then sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay, so sine 30 is 1 by 2 and sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay, then next one, cos values. Cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree and cos 30 degree. Okay, so cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, so cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so everything we are fine. So now we are going to apply these values. Okay, so we can apply LHS is equal to sine 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree into sine 60 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, and cos 60 1 by 2. Then cos 30 root 3 by 2 and sine 60 also root 3 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1, 2 to the 4. Okay, then root 3 into root 3, you will get 3 and 2 into 2, you will get 4. So the denominators are same. So we can add the numerators 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4 divided by 4 get cancelled, is equal to 1. Therefore LHS value is 1. Okay, and right hand side is what? Sine 90 degree. So RHS is equal to sine 90 degree, that is equal to 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, therefore hence it is proved. Okay, so your first problem over. Then second problem, find the value of the following. The first one is tan 45 degree. Second question, tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree plus minus 5 sin 90 degree by 2 cos 0 degree. Okay, so first we want to find the values of the given trigonometric ratios. Okay, okay. See, first one, tan 45 degree and cosecant 30 degree. Tan 45 degree is equal to, tan 45 degree value is what? 1. Okay, and cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is equal to, where is cosecant theta? Here, the fourth line. Okay, so cosecant 30 degree is equal to, what is that? 2. Okay, then secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree is equal to, secant theta is the fifth line. Secant 60 degree is equal to 2. And cot 45 degree. Cot 45 degree is equal to, the last line, cot 45 degree is equal to 1. Okay, then another value is what? Sin 90 and cos 0. Okay, sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equal to, sin 90 degree is equal to 1. This one. Okay, sin 90 degree is equal to 1 and cos 0 is 1. Okay, okay, everything we found the values. So now we are going to apply the given values. Okay, so we are going to find the value, so we can apply that. Tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree and plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree. Okay, so tan 45 is 1. Okay, so 1 divided by cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. So 2. Okay, then plus secant 60 degree. Secant 60 degree is 2 and cot 45 degree is 1. Then minus 5 into sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is 1. So 5 into 1, 5 divided by, and 2 cos 0 is 1. Okay. So therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 plus 5 1, sorry, minus 5 1 is 5 and 2 1 is 2. Okay. So here the denominator value is 2. Okay. So we can take the LCM 2. So 1 plus here 2 by 1. So we can multiply by 2 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Denominator 1 இருக்கிறதுனால மேலையும் கீழையும் 2 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இப்போ இங்கே மேலே நியூமரேட்டர் 4 கிடைக்கும். ஓகே. தென் ஆல்ரெடி 5 by 2, here denominator is 2, so no need to multiply anything, so you can take 5. So the positive value is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and the negative value is 5. So 5 minus 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 0 divided by 2. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Okay. So the answer is 0. So tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cot 45 degree minus 5 into sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree is equal to 0. Okay. So first subdivision over, then second subdivision. Second subdivision is sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree minus cos 45 degree. Okay. So now we are going to write the values of given ratios. So we want to write sin 90 degree. Okay. So everything here cos and sin only. Okay. So sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1 and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So then next one, cos 0 degree is there. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Then cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Then cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So now we will apply the values. Okay. So sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree. Okay, first we will find these values. Okay, so sin 90 degrees 1 plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and plus cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Okay. Then another one sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree minus cos 45 degree is equal to sin 30 degree is what? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 1 cos 0 is 1 and cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Okay. So see this. We can change the order in second one. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 1 na. So add panna appadina enna kedaikum 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 and plus 1 by root 2 and 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. இப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So we can write it 3 by 2. If you multiply these two, 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 and this one 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So that means we want to multiply these two values, isn't it? Because in the question it is in the multiplication. Okay. So sin 90 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree plus cos 0 degree and minus cos 45 degree. Okay. So we want to multiply these two values, that is equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So that is a plus b into a minus b format. Okay. So a plus b into a minus b, what is that? A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay. Therefore, you can write it a square minus b square. So here a is equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square amma minus 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 3 square is 9. So 9 by 4 minus 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2. Okay. So you want to take a LCM, that is 4. Okay. So here 9. Here 1 by 2. So denominator is 2. So but LCM is 4. So you want to multiply the numerator and denominator is 2. So 2 multiply panna ange enna varum minus 2 nu varum. So that is equal to 7 divided by 4. Okay. Then third one, verify cos 3a is equal to, verify cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a when A is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So if you apply A values 30 degree means what do you get in the left hand side? LH is equal to cos 3A. So that means cos 3 into A value is 30 degree. So 3 into 30 you will get 90 degree. Okay. So therefore cos 90 degree. Okay. This is LHS value. Then RHS value. RHS is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, that is equal to 4 cos cube 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree. Okay. So here cos 90 degree value is what? 0. Cos 90 degree value is 0. Okay. So now we are going to apply the values. Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay. So that means 4 root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 into again root 3 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 4. Cubic means 3 times. So root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3, then 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 2 to the 4, this get cancelled, and minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. Okay. So root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 root 3 by 2 minus again 3 root 3 by 2. So both also same value. So in negative it get cancelled. So you will get 0. Okay. So therefore LH is equal to RHS. LH is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay. Then the last problem. The last question is, find the value of 8 sin 2x into cos 4x into sin 6x when x is equal to 15 degree. Okay. So 8 sin 2, x value is 15 degree. Okay. So 15 degree into cos, here dot means it's considered as a multiplication. Okay. So cos 4 into 15 degree into sin 6 into 15 degree. Okay. That is equal to 8 sin 2 into 15, that is sin 30 degree. Okay. Sin 30 degree into cos 4 into 15, 60. So cos 60 degree into sin 6 into 15, sin 90 degree. So sin 90 degree. Okay. So we know the values. 8 sin 30 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Into cos 60 degree, that also 1 by 2, and sin 90 degree value is 1. Okay. So here 4 times, so again get cancelled. So 2. So what do you get? The answer is true. Okay. That's all. So your exercise 6.2 over. Okay. Thank you, students.